You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word or this phrase, as well as how to say more medical terms too. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more. There are two different ways of pronouncing it. Urethral, that's pretty much universal. Now the second word is said in British English as meatus, meatus, while in American English it's generally pronounced more as meatus, meatus. So urethral meatus or urethral meatus, urethral meatus. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.